On Startup Street. Now, Atomberg, a digitally native consumer appliances brand, has raised $86 million in its Series C funding round led by Temasek and Steadview Capital. Now, the round also saw participation from Trifecta Capital and existing investors, Jungle Ventures and Inflexor Ventures. The fundraise was a mix of primary and secondary issuances. The startup plans to use the funds to boost manufacturing capabilities, launch new products and deepen its offline presence. Joining us now to discuss this further is Manoj Meena, the co-founder and CEO of Atomberg, and also with me is my colleague Shruti. Manoj, thank you so much for joining us on the show today. Now, at Atomberg, you re-envision consumer appliances using technology. So how are you doing this? Take us through the various products you have on offer.
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much for having me here. So Atomberg is a technology-led, product-focused company. We have entered in this home appliance space with our revolutionary BLDC motor technology. And we utilize this BLDC motor technology in fan first. All the motor has different applications. We are trying to utilize the technology now in mixers and grinders. The beauty about technology is that it is super efficient in nature. And we have been continuously upgrading the technology for last 7 years from generation to generation. Our latest product today are running on our latest generation, which is the generation 5. And when we compare generation 1 to generation 5, what we have achieved significantly is that we were able to reduce the form factor significantly, which has helped our design team to differentiate the product in terms of its performance, in terms of its look and feel. We have been able to integrate electronics, IoT, and number of small things which make consumer delight. So that has been significant achievement from product technology point of view. And now we are trying to apply the same thing in mixers and grinders and other home appliances which are waiting for us to innovate.
Okay. Hi, Manoj. Shruti here. Let's come to your Series C fundraise of $86 million. Take me through the fund allocation plans, what new products you're looking to launch, and most importantly, what are the new categories that you're looking to enter?
Yeah, Shruti. So fan itself need a lot of focus, right? Yeah. And we have recently introduced one new range on our portfolio that is called Aris. It is a very new launch from Atomberg side. We have tried to innovate in terms of making the portfolio smarter in nature. So the latest series is IoT enabled. You can control it from smart app. And more importantly, we try to also address noise problem. So the new series, the Aris series, is super silent in nature. It has better air delivery, better look and feel. We have done some kind of innovation on the product blade design. These are aerodynamically designed blades. And the material which has been used in the blades is also very different. So fan portfolio itself will be one of the key focus area. We are introducing new pedestal ranges of the product, exhaust ranges of the product. Coming to the new product categories, kitchen appliances is of our new focus area, and we have been working on this for last 3 years. We have introduced one product in kitchen appliances, which is mixers and grinders. Again, this is running on our brushless DC motor technology. The product has offered new features to consumer, like it has slow mode, which was not available in the traditional products. The power efficiency is also very good. The performance is also very nice. And now the idea is to improve our offering within mixers and grinders and similar product like mixers and grinders. We call them motorized food processors. So idea is to populate, bring a good portfolio around mixer grinders and motorized food processors. On top of it, we are also focusing a lot on smart home solutions. So this year, very recently, last month only, we launched our first product in a smart home series, that is a smart lock. So the idea is to get into smart homes with security and surveillance as a entry strategy. So that is our first entry product into the smart homes today.
Right. Okay. So smart homes is something that you're looking to focus on. Fans will be the main focus. You will also want to use the funds that you've raised to boost your manufacturing capabilities. So where does the current facility stand at? What kind of investments do you need to build the capacity? Are you looking at greenfield expansion as well?
Yeah, Shruti. So very recently, like last year only, we have shifted our new facility to Pune. Okay. So it is it was a greenfield project. Some of the investment has been made. So the facility is very advanced in terms of automation, in terms of process control. The production capacity of this new facility is up to 1 million fans, I would say, per month. That is the current facility. We are also trying to do a lot of automation and process control activities in terms of machinery and infrastructure within the same facility. So there is no plan for immediate new greenfield project. A lot to be done within the same manufacturing unit. And we have achieved something around 300 to 400,000 units monthly capacity already. But idea is to push it to up to maybe 1 million units in coming year.
All right. Manoj, you sell online as well as offline. Where are you seeing the most penetration, and what's the offline and online strategy going to be, going forward? Are you looking to deepen the offline presence, or will you sell via dealers or open your own stores?
When we got into fans, definitely our initial strategy was to play online, and we have done one good job in terms of online. We are still #1 brand on e-commerce, Amazon and Flipkart. But the majority of the market lies on offline. And finally, in 2019, we got offline. Today, we are present almost around 25,000 retail outlets across India. Some of the geographies are new where we are expanding.
We seem
distribution. And on quarterly basis, we are roughly adding 2,000 counters, new counters, quality counters, which can sell premium product like Atomberg and a smart product like Atomberg.
All right. Can you quickly give us a sense of where your revenues currently stand at, and what's the road to profitability looking like?
Sure. I would go to financial year 2022. We closed around 355 crore revenue that year. Last year, although the report revenue has not been audited yet, but I would like to share you the range. It is roughly in between 600 to 700 crore revenue top line, and we closed last year, March 2023, with a top line of 100 crore. That is the monthly run rate. We ended last financial year. So we have been showing a consistent performance in terms of year-on-year revenue. We have been growing at 100% year-on-year this thing, and of course we have hit a profitability as well. And this year, a lot of focus is around profitability, although we have been introducing new product categories into the market where we will incur some losses. But blendedly, we should be able to make good profits this year.
All right. So the focus will remain on profitability. All right, Manoj, thank you so much for joining us on the show today, and we wish you all the best going forward.
With that,
thank you.
All right. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Startup Street. Stay tuned for more news and updates on CNBC TV18.